Central Vista Project. Central Vista Redevelopment Project refers to the ongoing redevelopment to revamp the Central Vista, India's central administrative area located near Raisina Hill. The New Delhi scheduled between 2022 and 24. The project as of 2020 to 2020 aims to revamp the 86 acres of land in Lutyens, Delhi, or the 3.1 kilometers long Rajpath between Rashtrapati Bhavan and India Gate. Announced by the Minister for Housing and Urban Affairs back on 13th September 2019. The plan was eventually proposed to meet the present and future needs of space for the Parliament, ministers, and departments, as well as to provide better public facilities, amenities, parking facilities, etc. The project envisions improving the beauty of a Central Vista to make it a world-class tourist attraction. This dream project of redeveloping the nation's administrative heart envisages convert north and south blocks to publicly accessible museum by creating a new common central secretariat to house all ministers, building a new parliament building near the project, one with increased seating capacity for future expansion, building a new residence and office for the vice president and the prime minister near the north block and the south block. The prime minister's office, defense minister, external affairs minister, and finance minister, among others, will be shifted to a new symmetrical interconnected complex of towers. Development of the Rajghat and the area around it. History of the Central Vista project. The creation of the Central Vista project dates back to the pre-independence days of India. At this coronation as Emperor of India on 12th December 1911, Britain's King George V announced the transfer of the seat of the government from the Calcutta to the ancient capital of Delhi. Thereafter, a 20-year-long project to build modern New Delhi was spearheaded by architects Edwin Lutyens and Herbert Baker. They built Parliament House, Rashtrapati Bhavan North and North Blocks, Rajpath, India Gate, National Archives, and Princess House around India Gate. Soon, the capital New Delhi was unveiled in 1931. Need Central Vista Project. The Central Vista project involves demolition of some non-heritage buildings in the area and the construction of new buildings in place of them. For this reason, it has met with many hurdles that question its basic need. There are several reasons for needing a new building. The government's argument for revamping Central Vista are inadequate of infrastructure. The current parliament building was made prior to the Indian government. Since then, the population and the number of constituencies has increased. As a result, the central hall of the parliament used to hold joint sessions actually does not have enough seat for the MPs for both houses. Thus, the facility and infrastructure are inadequate to meet the central current demand. Lack of safety. Most of the existing parliament buildings has outlived its structural life. They are in a bad condition and difficult to work in. Thus, there is serious concern regarding its safety of all. Further, the existing building lacks several safety features such as earthquake proofing and a standard fireproofing system and also make inadequate office space. All of this necessitated the demand for a modern building. Lack of efficient coordination. The offices of the central government are spread over different locations which affects interdependent departmental coordination and unnecessary travel leading to congestion of pollution. Significance of the project. The development that comes with the Central Vista project is enormous for the nation. Thus, one can think of various reasons to understand the significance of the project. Some of these reasons are modernizing parliament facilities. The new parliament building is India's first proposal designated parliament equipped with state-of-the-art infrastructure to meet all needs of an expanded parliament. Improving productivity and efficiency. All ministers of the government will be consolidated in one place and will be served by highly energy efficient and sustainable infrastructure, strengthening cultural and recreational facilities. The overall objective of works planned on the Central Vista is to ensure environmental sustainability, restore the Vista's architectural character, protect its heritage building, expand and improve public space, and to extend its access, providing modern and secure infrastructure. A modern and secure and appropriately equipped executive enclave is proposed to house executive offices and facilities. The Central Vista project is a plan that the leaders of the country like Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, Lal Bahadur Shastri, Indira Gandhi, Rajiv Gandhi, Atal Bihari Vajpayee, among others, have planned other future. The Central Vista project is a project that fulfills India's present and future needs of the Indian Parliament.